Electric heating thermostat. First place, sensor connection point. Second place, power connection point. Third place, load, electric heating load. Here we use a heat gun to simulate instead of electric heating load. This thermostat only supports electric heating control. Water heating, gas heating, and other heating controls are not supported. How to connect to the app. 1. First, power on the device and then turn off the device. The display will still light up when the device is turned off. 2. Press and hold the inverted triangle button, as shown in the video, for 10 seconds until the screen flashes. The device enters the pairing state. 3. Open the Smart Life app. Turn on the Bluetooth of your mobile phone at the same time to help the app automatically scan the device. Click plus to add a device, and the app will automatically scan the device. Now click Add Device. Note: 2.4G Wi-Fi signal is required. At this point, the device is added successfully. Turn on the device to proceed to the next step of setting. Thank you.